Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and of course, as we're getting into December of 2025, we'll have a few videos during the month where we look back at the year, and today we're going to look back at a little bit at some of the interesting things that happened in Windows 10 with Microsoft suddenly saying that there will be extended updates for Windows 10. It was to expect, anyways, that Windows 10 would have some form of extension for its security updates. The market share was way too high, but 1 year only. So enjoy, because in October of 2026, you'll have to move on to something else, or maybe you could, some will probably go to Windows 11 unsupported, but most people, and this is what usually happens, and we could see it already, will buy a new PC, move on to whatever Windows version is going to happen, which probably will be Windows 11. And as Windows 10 users, it's incredible to see that we've moved on 10 years since the beginning of Windows 10. This is, showing how time flies, and just incredible. Still remember when this channel was waiting for the first bits of download of Windows 10 back in 2015. And of course, the other news, and this one is, I guess, a disappointing one for Windows and for Microsoft. The fact that Windows 11's adoption rate isn't going that well. We've seen the numbers today. Even though it is now the dominant operating system for Windows, it still isn't, what Windows 10 was at the same time period. I mean, we are halfway to what is usually a life cycle of a Windows version, and this adoption rate should be so much higher. We should be in, the 60-70% adoption rate, and especially with the Windows 10 end of support that was pushed, and, the pop-ups and the screens of Windows 10 PCs with, we're reaching the end soon, should have actually moved people to Windows 11 a lot faster than it actually does. And one of the biggest problems is it does have bad reputation. People are complaining all the time. And that bad reputation is actually showing. People don't want to move on. And the amount of people that are on the extended support of Windows 10 is quite high, actually. So this just shows people are scared of moving on to Windows 11. So, this is the way it is. But this is a big chunk of what Windows is in 2025. People would have loved to continue using and are still using. A lot of people are still using Windows 10. Windows 11, well, people that have moved on. I moved on and I'm happy with Windows 11, but there's a lot of bad reputation and a lot of people aren't happy with Windows 11. But this is what it is. And I guess, there were people maybe waiting for Windows 12 to appear in 2025, or maybe something else. But nope, we're still into Windows 11, and we know that we'll talk a little bit about 2026 in the next video. What could happen, what could not happen. There's a lot of it will be speculation. But overall, we're on Windows 11, and it is slowly gaining more market share. And hopefully, maybe they'll reach a level where people are going to be happier. There's going to be some changes coming up. So we'll talk about that, including the start menu. But overall, it hasn't changed that much. Windows 11 has stayed pretty much the same. There's not that many new things or changes that people can be happy about in Windows 11. So that was 2025. Windows 11, people kind of going to Windows 11 pretty much by force, but not necessarily because they want to. And 2025, Windows 10 is still holding on tight, and we'll see what these numbers are going to be in 2026. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.